We're changing lives of hundreds of students by helping them gain confidence through good writing. I felt the need of sharing this special trick with each and every mom, teacher or student who was struggling to achieve good writing. Being a mom of 4th grader, I realized my kid's writing was getting worse day by day, which in turn was affecting her confidence and presentation. That is when I started learning on SAME, and with this experience was not only able to practically change writing of my kid but also of hundreds of other students who were seeking help. At the same time, making a very good source of income as well. So this course can also prove very much beneficial for ones who are seeking to earn by training students to improve their writing by enrolling them for handwriting improvement program. In my videos, I will be sharing from the very basic how I train the students, each and every trick and technique to be followed, which will assure you guaranteed results. So do not miss on any part of the videos. So first thing you will do today is take a single line page and copy the paragraph that is given on the screen. Use pen, pencil, whatever you're comfortable with, and copy the paragraph in regular handwriting which you are generally used to. Once done, you will store this page till we complete the last tutorial. I will then tell you what was its actual purpose. So start copying and follow the next tutorial to actually begin with the course.